Yes, yes, yes. You cannot sit, is it?
I'm paranoid about sitting.
Okay.
Because whenever I bend and I take the weight off my legs,
yes,
and it goes onto my back, it's like someone sticking a knife in my back, left hand side.
All right.
So sitting's a problem. So
okay, we'll do standing. Okay.
I could probably.
No, we'll do standing. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay, so when did it happen?
Friday the 2nd.
Friday?
Friday the 2nd.
So,
January.
So that's about 5 days ago. So while you were lifting, did it come right after it or?
No, sort of during. So the load shifted a little. So then, sort of felt a little straight away, and it wasn't too bad. It was just a pinch.
Yes.
Yeah,
and then
sort of just
gradually like.
And then after that, I sort of it was. I lay on my back and did a couple of stretches. I just laid down and a couple of real slow stretches, just straight knee to chest.
Yes.
By the side a couple of times. It felt okay. I thought I might have just pinched something or nipped something. I wasn't quite sure.
Yes.
Then sort of walked around with it, and then sitting down in a car later that night and driving and getting out was worse. But then the next day I was icing it, putting ice on it, and then trying a couple of slow stretches again.
Yes.
That was during the Saturday. Actually, hang on, no.
So you
It must have been a Friday. No, it must have been a Thursday.
It was Thursday. Okay.
Yeah, Thursday the 2nd. So
Yeah.
it wasn't Friday. It was Thursday the 2nd.
Yeah, that's right.
Because then the Friday, because I was at home on the Friday, and then I tried the same, like ice intermittently.
Yes.
And then tried to do a couple of stretches, and I thought it was okay. And then Saturday was worse, and then Sunday was worse, and just basically. Yesterday, bedridden. So now even laying down, if I lay on my side and I lay straight, it's okay. But if I'm laying on my side and I rotate at all, it hurts on the left side.
Yeah.
If I bring my legs forward at all, or lift them up, or do anything like that, it grabs.
Okay.
And then even if I'm lying the wrong way and I rotate or roll the wrong way, it grabs.
Okay. So grabbing means, is it tightness or is it like
Knife.
Knife.
Right in the back.
Okay.
Right in the back. Yeah.
It's a very sharp pain.
Yeah, sharp. When I say grabs, it grabs me and stops me doing what I'm doing.
Stops you. Yeah.
Even this morning,
Yes.
for some reason last night in the middle of the night, I must have rolled or did something while I was sleeping, and it grabbed me. I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning, so I took some Panadol, and then even this morning was bad for some reason. Maybe it was a result of last night, but even trying to get out of bed. So to get out of bed, I lay towards, right on the edge of the bed, I lay on the side, and I try and sort of roll up.
Yes.
Roll up on my side, and then I get my feet on the ground, and then try and use my legs. But if there's any point where my weight is not taken by whatever I'm lying on or sitting on, or being taken predominantly by my legs, that's when it grabs straight away as well.
So the location of the pain is on the left side. Yeah.
Generally left side.
Where exactly?
I don't remember. It's just generally in and around
Somewhere
here.
around here. Okay.
In and around there.
Okay. Oh. Your left side.
Yeah.
Just muscles are all like
Yeah, that's what I think I'm. That's what I think I'm doing. That kind of trying to protect.
Yep. Bending forward and backwards.
just go through a range of motion. If you can't do it, don't do it. Okay. I'm scared because of that sharp pain.
Yeah, that's what I don't want.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's,
Okay. Enough.
there's just a little there. Give me
Okay.
grab a little there.
All right. Well, both backwards. Let's try backwards.
Also, I had Panadol probably about an hour ago or 2 hours ago.
All right.
So maybe that's dulled it a little.
Okay. Now try to lift up. The other side.
it more harder on the left side?
Yeah.
More tighter? Feels like a grabbing sensation here?
It's not too bad.
Not too
It's
bad?
actually complicated.
Up more?
No, no, just try.
You okay?
Oh! Yeah, that'll be it.
Side to side?
Tap end.
Yes. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
Alright. Now, to the right.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay?
Yeah.
How is it here? On this left side?
No, it seems it hasn't grabbed yet.
Can you try a bit more further to the right? That okay?
Yeah.
Do you feel like tight around on the left side?
I don't know whether I'm...
Okay, that's
Check.
fine.
So when I go back now, when I go back,
Mm-hmm.
it's starting to grab a little bit now. Just like
Uh,
now. Yeah, now it's grabbed. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
So let's fix it.
Relax there, okay? And I will slightly shift it as well. Is that okay?
It's not grab. I'm aware of it. It's not
Okay.
grabbing anywhere like it before.
But as you unwind it, okay, slowly, back to neutral. Slide.
That's right.
That's all right.
It didn't grab.
Okay, alright. Left side.
No, it's okay.
That's okay. Neutral. Rotation was not too
That was okay.
It's mainly that side.
Coming
Yep,
up.
yep.
Yeah, coming back.
Alright.
Returning.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's get up.
So let's fix it.
Take time. Yeah, the whole point of doing this is to actually provoke what you have, okay? Yeah, so although just bear with me, okay? Yeah. It's finding the right thing that's the most important at this stage. Nothing here.
It's just like the air seems to be tender underneath.
Yeah. It's more deeper, is it?
Yeah, underneath.
Yeah, underneath, huh?
It's just a little bit there.
Okay.
So I don't know where that's gone to.
Yep.
I don't know where that's gone to.
And backwards.
Backwards.
Okay, side to side now.
A little bit just there.
Yep. And back. Oh, good. How was it when you walked out yesterday?
It felt a bit freer. Even
Yeah.
my daughter and my wife said that it looked freer, it looked easier to move.
Yeah. Yesterday you couldn't drive, wasn't it? That's why you.
Well, I didn't.
Your wife drove you
Yeah,
down
my
here?
wife drove me back again today.
Okay.
I drove a truck and I went to do a little bit of work this morning with my son. It was okay. Walking was okay.
All right.
Yeah, it was all right. But as I said, when I finished, getting it out of the truck the first time, I felt a pinch. Just I must have twisted too much.
Yes.
And then after that didn't affect walking or anything after that. It was just a bit of pain.
Wasn't too like guarding where you had this stabbing pain all of a sudden.
When I got out of the truck at one time, I said I must have twisted too much.
And then
there was a pinch, sharp pain.
Yeah.
But then after that, everything was fine.
Okay.
But then,
As you hit the pot.
yeah, I think because the cabin of the truck, I think wobbled side to side
Yes,
a little bit.
And all of a
And
sudden you
one, then two really bad ones.
Yes.
So I had to stop, just pull the handbrake, stop in the middle of the road, and I couldn't move for probably about 10 minutes.
Oh.
And then so then it was a really tough drive home, and walking was a problem. And then when I got home, I laid down for about 20 minutes on my side.
Yeah.
I put some ice on it, took 2 more Panadol,
Yep.
lay on my side, and then it's a bit better now. So and this is the first time I've tried to sit in the chair for a week, and it's not too bad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Click on it.
Yeah.
Thank